Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to create a poll in WhatsApp channel. If you want to create a poll in your WhatsApp channel, so you just need to follow these steps. The first, you just have to open your WhatsApp app, then go to updates, and here just search for channel. I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it. And here you'll get the option of this, just tap on it. And now select poll. And after that, here you just have to enter your question, and here add options. As I'm going to add these two, just add them. You can add two or more options to your poll and then tap on send. And here you can see I have successfully shared a poll in my WhatsApp channel. So that's how you can add poll to your WhatsApp channel. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.